Chicago Model Masters Big Bird competition.
Where else I want to be? Ain't nobody bothered. You want to be right where you at? There you go. Okay. Couple months now, pushing for this.
Opios BG. GB, whatever.
I took the Miata to Florida, and it wasn't bad on the back. It really wasn't. You know, you'd stop for gas and stuff and stretch a little bit, like you do with any car.
But the seating position in the Miata is not there.
No, I just reached the headrest for a little bit more.
This is the beast that was just up.
You know, and like you got to lean to
And the Chicago Model Masters. All in red.
Anywhere from 01 to 05, that's where I want to put my roof. And I only take it out on the next 20 days when nowhere to do it. And
Good view of the field. That's www.chicagomodelmasters.org. And check out the website. Come on down and try to fly. Getting to the judges table here. We got Rob and a couple other guys.
I got a pissed off over it. Why is all that oil on the head? I was looking around and it started getting goopier and goopier.
Another one going up.
Oh, man. The only thing I had left, it was already red because it's really high. We shot the next airplane.
And some more Model Masters. Extra 330L and an extra 260. Very nice.